Hello, good evening.
No, your microphone unmuted. Your video.
Hi everyone, good evening.
Angkot na back ma.
Okay, so we'll start in a minute. Thanks everyone for being patient. Just give me a second, I'll connect the same from my mobile as well to check the chats. Okay. So almost everyone is here now. So we are ready and good to go. I've also connected from my mobile as well so that I can check your chats. Because what I will be doing is after every 5 to 7 minutes, I'll be asking you to type something. Okay. I want to make this 7 day session an interactive session. Every 7 to 10 minutes, I'll keep on asking to type something. So let's start with the first typing thing. Please tell your professions, like which profession do you belong, and put your cities as well. Like I am digital marketer from Bangalore. What about you guys? Please put in chat. Okay. Dr. Seema says I'm professor from Delhi, real estate trainer from Delhi, Kshitij from Mumbai, self-employed, career counselor, Rakesh ji from Bargarh, Odisha. Okay, okay. I just want to check the different kind of fields you all are from. And how many of you want to create courses? Is there anyone who wants to create courses, digital course, who are into coaching? Please type in me. If you want to create courses, please type in me, me. I'm checking chats in mobile. So whenever I bend my head, just think that I'm checking the chats in mobile. Lots of me's. Awesome, awesome. So, okay. So just to clarify, this 7 days course, the course which you have signed up for, is suitable for all the people, all kinds of business, whether you're a course creator, business employee, self-employed, business owner, freelancer, whatever you are. It will help you because we are going to learn the basics of Facebook ads. Plus, We'll learn how to generate leads using Facebook ads. So once again, guys, welcome to Clockwork Sales Method. Let's get started. This is a 7 days workshop on Clockwork Sales Method, where you will discover how to generate leads and sales round the clock without any cold calling, prospecting, zero tech skills. You don't need to get good tech skills as well. I'll teach you the simplest way to generate leads to get started. Once we learn these things, later on we'll learn more and more complex things. But we'll start with the easiest thing. So, who is this course for? Are you facing any of these problems? Tried Facebook ads before, but you are getting lots of fake leads. Most leads are not picking up your calls. Confused about how to target the perfect audience. You're not able to reach the right audience. You want to reach teachers, but you are not reaching the right kind of teachers. You are reaching primary teachers. You wanted to reach high school teachers, but you are reaching primary teachers. You wanted to reach college students, you are reaching school students. You wanted to reach rich people, you are reaching people who are not able to afford your services. Right, there are lots of things. And then most, this was the point, right? Most of the leads are interested, but they don't have the budget. Sometimes you might have run ads, lots of you might have run ads, you got lots of clicks, reach, impression, whatnot, but no sales, no leads. And sometimes most of you are might be in B2B, business to business, like I'm into B2B field, and you are not able to generate good leads from Facebook. So are you facing any of these problems, guys? Please type in which problem are you facing. Any of these problems, like you might have run Facebook ads and all. Keep on typing, I'll keep on moving. Okay, so the fact is why this problem happens. Actually, none of these are problem. The real problem is you don't have a good idea of how Facebook ads run. You don't know how to run it in the right way. And another thing is why you fail in business, because you don't have a proper pipeline of leads. What do I mean by fail in business? Because you don't have the right pipeline of leads. For example, right now we have these many students, like yeah, we have around 70 students right here with us in the chat. Right, 70 students are live with us in this 9 p.m. today. Right, and registrations are already opened. While I'm talking to you, another set of 250 people are registering for my next workshop. Right, we conduct this workshop every month. So people are already registering for the next month while I'm talking to you guys right now. Right, so the thing is you should always have a pipeline of leads. Can someone can someone share if you are able to see the screen? People are commenting that you are not able to see the screen. Please type in screen if you are able to see the screen. Okay, fine. Somebody was saying it. I just wanted to confirm. Cool. Let's move on. And what happens if you don't have a pipeline of leads? Simple thing is we don't have business. So do you start every month wondering where the clients and next sales are going to come from? Have you always been thinking to set up a lead generation system but don't know where to start? Are you always stuck with analysis paralysis on which course should you buy? Which funnel should you start? Are you fed up of purchasing lots of courses where everything is copy pasted? You are not able to get the actual material on how you can start your own lead generation courses. And do you want to launch your lead generation machine without getting stuck in complex funnels, high pressure webinars? You want to generate leads in a very simple way so that you can get started with your lead generation machine in less than 1 hour. If yes, this course is for you. So, what are we going to cover in the next 7 days? Day one, develop the mindset of a digital marketer and learn about the power of Facebook ads. We'll be discussing that today. That will be the theme of the day. Today we will be doing the introduction part. Why you should do online digital marketing? What are the various platforms available for digital marketing? What is Facebook ads? What is Instagram ads? What are the advantages of it? So those things we'll be covering today. And from next days, we'll be jumping into more advanced concepts. Okay. Day two, learn the basics of traditional and digital sales funnel used by the top marketers in the world. All the types of funnels, like what is a webinar funnel, what is a basic sales funnel, how funnel works in the real world. We will learn that. You might have heard funnel, funnel, funnel everywhere, right? Day three, we will learn how to laser target your ad so that you reach the right audience. This is where most of us go wrong. We don't know whom to target. Why should we target whom? Nothing we know. First, we just run ads most of the times, right? That's why we never get results, right? There are only three things, guys, to run a good ad. We have to reach the right people with the right message at the right time. Just three things: right people, that is the targeting; right message, which is your copywriting, the ad part, the image part, the right message, and at the right time. Right time means Facebook will show. That is the work of Facebook. But what we can do, we have to type the right message, we have to type the right audience. So day 5 covers that only, and day 4 as well. Day 4 is creating an ad is all about storytelling. So we will learn a formula called AIDA formula: attention, interest, desire, action. It is the simplest formula to write a perfect ad, so that whenever you write an ad, whenever somebody reads your ad, he feels that he's reading your story. And not just reading your story, he will be able to connect, just like you guys connected to my ad, right? You connected to my ads and today you are here, right? So I did my part. I reached to the right people at the right time with the right message. Day 5, every successful ad has a successful image, right? When somebody is scrolling your Facebook, we are all are talking about how to give your ads on Facebook. So when somebody is scrolling on Facebook, which is the first part, which people see? That is the image, right? So we should have to make sure that the image is good enough so that it grabs the attention of each and everyone, because they are busy browsing the things of friends, families, and all. Different groups message are there. So we have to make sure that we hook the attention of the person. Our image should be that powerful. We will learn practically on how to create your image. We will learn on day 5. Day 6, it is all about launching your lead ad. Now that we have written our ad copy, we know whom to target, we know how to design an ad image, everything is done, right? Now we have to launch the ad. That's it. Day 7, it's about key metrics required to scale the ads. Okay, now we have run the ads, but how do we know if ads are going good or not? How do we optimize the cost? How do we know what is click through rate, what is CTR, what is impression, what not? How do we know those technical terms involved with Facebook ads? So we will learn the top important technical terms involved with Facebook ads at the last, because I believe first we should run ads. Remaining things are later things, right? Clear with the concept, guys? Like what we are going to cover in the next 7 days? Please type in clear. और गाइज ये सेशन इंग्लिश में होने वाली है. जिनको इंग्लिश नहीं आती है, हिंदी आती है, तो आप लोग ये सेशन प्लीज क्विट कर सकते हो. आप लोगों को अलग से एक बाद में लिंक भेज दिया जाएगा, आप मेरे को मैसेज कर दो. बाद में सेशन होगा जब हिंदी का, तो आप लोगों को आई विल शेयर द मैसेज. ठीक है. So imagine what can happen with leads if you are routinely bringing in extra 1 lakh to 5 lakh every month, just like clockwork. You could work from wherever you wanted. You could fire your boss. Your income was dependable and predictable every month. I'll take a few examples why I'm saying these things. That what happens with good amount, like if you're running ads properly, what can happen? So she is Shalini Jha. She is a handwriting coach. She has crossed 10 lakhs in revenue in the previous month. This is the InstaMojo, like it's a payment gateway. We have taken the screenshot, right? Let's check another person. He's Mr. Akanshu. He's a TEDx speaker and a parenting coach. He has fired his boss in just 7 months of learning lead ads because in 7 months he created an income stream which was much more than his income from his job. Avijit, he's again a music coach. He made 3 lakhs in consistent profit per month. This was his past number. The current number is he crossed 6 lakhs in revenue in 2021, May 2021. 6 lakhs in net revenue. And there are lots more examples. We'll keep on showing daily one to examples. So what I mean to say, why am I showing these examples? That when you are able to run ads properly, definitely you will be profitable in whatever field you are. Of course, these are coaches. They are giving trainings online, right? 6.25 lakhs. Venkat, 170 sales, each sale of 25,000 rupees. He is into energy healing coach. He is Vaskar, full-time stock trader. He has created a team of 10 full-time traders using these Facebook ads. Now, what's the good news? How many of you want to achieve this kind of results? Please type in me. How many of you? Excited, right? So the good news is this is the best time to make a great living by doing what you are good at. Whether you are doing a course, whether you are doing a business, whatever you are doing, it's very easy to start your ads and get started with your business, right? Second thing, anybody can advertise. You don't need to have a law degree or a BTech degree to advertise. Anybody can advertise. It's more normal than ever for people to buy products online. You can build things really fast. This means that if you start your ads today, you can start getting leads in as less than 1 hour. All you need to take advantage is of digital trend. Now, bad news is there are so many fake courses out there. People don't trust the actual courses and actual marketers anymore. People don't have their real knowledge. They haven't done anything for themselves, but they are there enjoying teaching people, right? Second thing, now if you are running ads incorrectly, you will go to Facebook. There's something called boost post, BOOST, boost post. So how many of you have tried boost post? Please type in boost. If you have tried boosting your post in Facebook, how many of you tried? For those of you who don't know, who are new to Facebook ads, I'll tell you that whenever you create a Facebook business page, Facebook will give you an option that boost your post, that is promote your post to reach 10,000 people at like 500 rupees. So Facebook will give you the option to promote your post. But trust me, like whoever, like there are few people here who have done these things. But whatever, how many ever times you do that, doesn't matter. You will never get successful leads, right? That is a lead generation mechanism for Facebook, in my opinion. It is present just to show you that in Facebook anyone can advertise, right? Nobody, I have not seen at least anyone in my life who got good results or any results for that matter by boosting a post. So basically, if you do things incorrectly, you'll keep on trying, you'll keep on burning money, but you will not get results. So the thing is, you need to work hard. You have to learn the correct way. And then spend your hard-earned money in ads. Otherwise, you'll tell, oh, Facebook ad doesn't work, right? That doesn't happen like that. So the old days of working in a job is over. That you have a security in a job, right? We all have seen that. No need to discuss it. That job is secured. A lot of people are trying to sell you the newest shiny object syndrome. What is shiny object syndrome? That this model works, that model works. This is the only way to generate leads. That is the only way to generate leads. Every model works. The thing is, you need to be consistent. Last point, the most important point, the fundamental of everything. You cannot, you cannot rely on traditional marketing systems anymore. You have to go digital. Okay, so if you stay until the end, it's a surprise bonus for everyone. If you stay until the end, that is, if you are live for all the 7 days, you take out your precious 1 hour and spend with us for the 7 days live, continuous, you will have the opportunity to get 30 minutes one-to-one consultation session with me, where you can discuss anything about ads or your online business strategy with me. How many of you like this bonus? Please type in awesome if you like this surprise bonus. This was not mentioned anywhere in the page. This is a surprise, guys. Okay. Usually I charge around 5,000 for this session, one-to-one session. But since you all are spending 7 hours with me live in your precious time, 9 to 10 p.m. every day, so you deserve something special, right? Of course. So turn off all the distractions. Pardon the word crap. Turn off all the distractions if you already haven't. Let's focus on this. And I see everyone is already doing their best. There's work involved. Okay. Even though I'll be teaching the in the easiest way, the most practical way. Today we'll be learning the basics. From tomorrow on, we'll dive into Facebook ads. I'll be teaching in the best possible way. But work is involved. You need to do your assignments. Remember, guys, I told about in assignments in the group that every day you have to do some assignments. So I'll be sharing some assignments. 1 or 2 days I might not share, but almost every day I'll be sharing some assignments. You have to do the assignment and submit it in the Facebook group. That is a new Facebook group created for this purpose. Okay, so please join the group. The link is there in WhatsApp if you haven't joined already. Join the group later on after this class. Join the group. Our team will approve it tomorrow. And then from tomorrow onwards, you can start posting your homework there. Okay. Now, the basics first. Why you cannot afford to, sorry, uh, hide video panel. Sorry, hide floating meter. Yeah. So, why you cannot afford to miss digital trend in 2021? See, this is the digital advertising expenditure in India. See the graph from 2014 to 2024 is the estimation for the last few years. Why you cannot afford? Let me open in mobile as well. Yeah, you cannot afford because the digital, Dr. Seema says Corona has brought digital in India 10 years in advance. Absolutely, bang on. Like that's a good thing, like exact thing. One is Corona has unfortunately brought digital presence in India a very advanced state. And this is the graph. This was the usual graph pre-Corona, right? People are going digital. Every business, no business is there which is not going digital. Is there any business, guys, which you think is not going digital? Everyone. Like you can type in chat. Just for my knowledge, if you think that any business is there which is not going digital. Okay. Now here are the 4 reasons why I prefer that going digital is the best thing. This was written in 2020. I had written this. So first is location freedom. You can work from anywhere, right? Half of the time I am in my hometown Dhanbad, half of the time I am in my Bangalore, half of the time I am in Gangtok. I keep on visiting places, and from there you might have seen in Instagram and all. So from different places I keep on working. What do I need? I just need a laptop, a camera, and a mic. That's it. I can carry it anywhere. Low starting investment. That if you're starting a business, you don't need to start with a huge investment. Unlike traditional business, in traditional business you need to rent a home, you need to hire employees, you need to pay for electricity, you need to take lots of approvals, lots of things. So lots of machine work and all. But online you just need a laptop and an internet connection. That's it, right? Third thing is incredible scalability. For example, let's say you started running your ads, you found that it's profitable. Start In starting days you are putting, let's say, 10,000 rupees in a month. You are putting 10,000 rupees in Facebook ads. Now you found out, yes, it's getting profitable. So what you can do to increase the business? Put in more money. Simple. The more money you put in, the more output you will get. More money you will put in, the more output you will get. Again, put in more money, more output. Simple thing. Put in 10,000 rupees, you might make 50,000 in sales, 20,000 in sales. But whatever you are getting, you are earning profits. Again, put 20,000 back, you might get 40,000 in sales. Put 40,000 back, 80,000 in sales. So you're growing, right? You don't have to set up another office, and it's easy to stand out. You don't have to worry about what big competitors are doing. You can create your own personal brand, right? How many of you are interested to create their own personal brand or their company brand online? Please type in personal brand or company brand. You don't have to worry like what big players are doing. Everyone can craft their own personal brand for themselves. So now the next obvious thing is, okay, Pankaj, that's good, but please help me to get started. From where do I start? Right. So now when you hear the term digital marketing, right, this is a basics class. Let's clear the basics first. When you hear the term digital marketing, what things come to your mind immediately? Please type in the chat. What things do you come to your mind when you think of the term digital marketing? Okay. Selling by taking online help, more leads, online business. What else? Okay, those things are good. But now, one should think about the tools. Like, what are the various parts of digital marketing? I'll give you an analogy. For example, uh, when you're doing engineering, okay, there are different branches of engineering. Sorry, computer science engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, this engineering, that engineering. 10, 20 branches are there, right? I'm a computer science engineer. So different types of engineering is there. And then again, for each branch, lots of subjects are there, right? Similarly, for digital marketing, lots of branches are there. Just like chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, there are lots of things. There are paid ads where you give ads on Facebook, social, Google, YouTube, TikTok. Second is email marketing. Third can be affiliate marketing. Fourth is like organic marketing, SEO. So lots of channels are there, content marketing, right? And inside that, just like we have subjects in engineering, inside that, for in each of the things, there are lots of tools like lead pages to create landing page, MailChimp to create landing page. Google Calendar can be used to book appointments. Calendly is a tool to book appointments. MailChimp can be used for receiving emails. uh, for sending SMS, you can use ClickSend. Lots of tools are there, right? But for designing websites, you can use WordPress. But so many things are there, and all are a part of digital marketing. To get started, you need to start with something, right? You don't need to get overwhelmed. Okay, so let me help you to pick a right thing. Before that, something about me once again. I'm your coach for the next 7 days. I'm an Accenture employee, and I'm a computer science engineer. I like pizzas a lot, of course, and dosa as well. Just before your session, I had driven for 20 kilometers just to eat dosa. So that I like dosas and pizzas a lot. And I am founder of Siditas Web Solutions. I also own digitalcoachingbusiness.com. I have managed paid ads of over 1.5 crore rupees, including Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads. Okay, lots of things I've managed. I'll tell you why. What does this mean for you? This means that, for example, when you're advertising on newspaper, okay, what happens when you're advertising on newspaper? You have to pay money, right? You have to pay money to get advertised on newspaper, right? Similarly, when you're giving your ads on Facebook, you're giving your ads on TikTok, you're giving your ads on YouTube, right? So whenever you're giving ads, they charge some money, right? So I have managed as big budgets as 50 lakhs per month. And if you check the total amount, it is, by this time till date today when I'm talking to you, it has already crossed over 2.5 crores. Not just 1.5, but 2.5 crores, I can say that. So I've already managed ads of 2.5 crore rupees. So what does it mean? It means that I think I have good enough experience that I have managed the ads practically. I've started from small amounts, I've managed big amounts as well. All the types of clients I've handled. So I know what things actually works in the market. It's not a copy pasted theory. Whatever I'm going to teach you from tomorrow onwards, it will be a practical example. Whatever I know, it has worked for me. So I'll be teaching you those things. And in the past 2 years, I've been helping coaches and business owners to generate consistent number of leads and sales using this formula, clockwork sales method. That's my upcoming course, right? We all know after 7 days, everyone sells something. So that is my level 2 course. But don't worry about that at all. In these 7 days, whatever I have promised to you, the lead ads, we will be learning that completely. You will be learning lead ads completely and practically. Okay, so by the end of 7 days, you will be able to launch your lead ads. The upsell is a different purpose. Don't worry about that. It's a different game. We will learn about that in the upcoming days. But you will learn lead ads completely. That would be one of the assignments, to create your lead ad. Okay. So the best thing I like is Facebook and Instagram ads. Like I told, lots of digital tools are there, right? Facebook ads, paid media, organic ads, SEO, lots of things are there, right? Why I like Facebook and Instagram ads the most? Why am I fan of, die-hard fan of Facebook and Instagram ads? Why? Again, the graph here, no theory, just the graph, the real practical data, right? 2.4 billion monthly active users worldwide. Everyone is going online. They are on Facebook. Similar is the case with Instagram. People are there on Instagram. And please type in surprise too if you want to get another surprise from me. Surprise bonus for you guys. Please type in surprise too. Today only in the introduction day I will give surprises, not again. Please type in surprise too. Two, the number two, yeah. Surprise one was, I have given you 30 minutes one-to-one consultation if you stay till the end for 7 days. Surprise two is, once you're learning how to create your ads on Facebook, Hear me carefully. Once you learn how to create your ads on Facebook, you are automatically learning how to create ads on Instagram. There's no other tool that using the same tool, using a single tick, when you are running your ads on Facebook, automatically you are running your ads on Instagram too. Isn't that amazing, guys? How many of you knew that? And how many of you think it's new to you? Either type new, KNEW, you already knew, or NEW if it's new to you. That you don't need two tools. You are not just taking Facebook ads class in these 7 days. You are getting learning Instagram ads as well, the top two platforms, right? New and new. Yeah. Okay. So few features about Instagram and Facebook ads. So whenever I'm telling Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or just Facebook ads, think that I'm talking about both. Just keep in mind that because there's no other tool, right? First of all, it's very, very easy to get started. You will see after 7 days that within 7 days you will be able to launch your ads. You just have to do the assignments carefully. Support segmentation of audience by various parameters like age, gender, interest, demographics, which mobiles they use. What is their buying behavior? Are they frequent online shopper or they just watch videos? What do they do? What do your people do? What do people do on Facebook? Do they watch videos? Do they shop online? If they shop online, what type of shopping they do? So those things are also possible. Are they international travelers? Are they married or not? When is their birthday? You can target them by cities, which city they live in. Well, lots of possibilities are there, right? We discussed about laser targeting, right? Next, opportunity to position yourself in the mid of consumer activity. This is a special feature in Facebook ads. For example, let's take example of Google ads. What happens there? If you need a shoe, SHOE, shoe. If you need a shoe, you'll go to google.com, right? SHOE, shoe, buy shoes or Nike shoes, right? So whenever you need a shoe, then only people will go to Google and write shoes, or you'll go to Flipkart for that matter, right? But now think as a, you were thinking till now as a consumer, right? You are going to Google. Now think as a brand owner, that you are the owner of a shoe company who manufactures shoes, or you are a retailer. How do you promote yourself? People who would need different kinds of shoes right now, they are one kind of audience. They will go to Google and search. But what's the benefit of Facebook? Even if someone doesn't need a shoe right now, they will still buy your shoe from you. Why? I'll tell you. People are browsing Facebook. We all know that, right? Data is already there that people are browsing Facebook, Instagram every day. Now, what happens when you're browsing Facebook? You will see a ad after every 4 to 5 posts, right? After every fourth post, you will see one ad, right? So just imagine you are giving the ad of that shoe, being a owner of a shoe store. Okay, you're giving that ad. Somebody saw your ad today. Okay, this is none. Let's say I saw your ad. Oh, this is nice shoe, but I don't need it now. I'll keep on scrolling. Done. Again, next day I'll come. That's my habit. I'll keep on browsing Facebook. Again, I'll see the ad. Yes, it's good. Maybe I'll ignore again. Third day I'll see again. Same ad. It's coming repeatedly every day. Third day maybe another, because it's hitting in my mind, right? Third day I'll see, okay, let's check it out. The design is good. Let's check it out. What are the features? What is the pricing and all? Let's say it's a Reebok shoe for 8,000 rupees. for example. Fourth day I'm seeing that. Fifth day I'm seeing different angles of that shoe, different colors. It's coming in my mind every day. I'm seeing that. Let's say on day 7, suddenly what happens? They are giving me flat 70% discount. That this shoe is for 8,000. Today we are giving for, let's say, 1,500 or 2,000 rupees, for example. What will happen? Do you think will I buy it or not? I was seeing this ad. What would you do, guys, if you saw this ad continuously for 7 days? What you would you do? Buy or not buy? Right? Most of us might buy, and that is called impulsive buying, because that price is not very high. No, it's not like buying a house. It's like 500,000, 2,000, 10,000 rupees. You will, like, that is an impulsive buy for most of us. At least something below 5,000 rupees. Impulsive buy. You don't think twice. Okay, it's looking good. Let's buy it. Right. So now replace shoe with your business. Your business. Right. Many of us might not buy, but there are people who will buy even if they are not in the need of that. That is what I'm trying to make the point. And even they are not in the need of that shoe, they will still buy the product, right? And who needs, of course, they will definitely buy. So it will increase the chances of buying. Now, replace it with your business, your product, your course, your whatever business you have. It will happen the same, right? Let's say insurance thing. People who are into insurance business, you can keep on educating people that what is the importance of insurance. Keep on educating. There will be a time suddenly they will buy, right? Now take the last example which will open up your mind. uh, you saw my ads. Suddenly you saw my ads. Most of you might have been searching for this lead generation system, but there could be few people who were not searching, who was not searching for this system, who was not searching for me, who was not searching for Facebook ads lead generation system, but you saw ad by me and then you registered. How many of you are like that, who was not searching about Facebook ads but suddenly saw, okay, one ad came, let's visit, let's see what this course is all about. See, lots of me's are there, right? So you didn't need the product, regardless of it's a free workshop, paid workshop, doesn't matter. You didn't need the product, but still you entered. And of course, not everyone is here like that. Lots of people are there who definitely needs it, that's why they've entered. But the good thing is, even people who didn't need it, they are also here. We are getting both types of audience. So we are creating extra audience for ourselves, extra customers for ourselves. People who don't need our things as well, they will also join, right? Moving on. Fourth thing is various ad types. You can put your ads in the form of images, videos, carousel. What is carousel? Slideshow kind of thing, one ad after the other, lots of things. There is an option to retarget. What is retarget? You can show your ads to same audience again and again. Just I took the example of show, right? If somebody clicked on the ad once, then only you will show him ad again and again. If he doesn't click the ad once, don't show him. Another example is, take example of Flipkart. If you go there, you search for a laptop, you clicked on the laptop, just next moment onwards ads will follow, right? Laptop ads, different laptop ads. So that is called retargeting concept. Sometimes retargeting, sometimes remarketing, there's a slight difference, but you can use those words interchangeably, retargeting or remarketing. Few more reasons. Few more reasons. Can you all guys please confirm? Somebody is saying audio is not coming. Just to make sure that everything is working fine. Awesome. Thanks for the confirmation, guys. Awesome. You will see immediate result. Let's say you set up your ad today, you will start getting leads and sales within 1 hour itself. Return on investment, ROI, is measurable, right? You don't have to wait. Like for example, if you're giving your ads on radio or television, you will create a brand awareness, of course, but you won't be able to measure the impact. But when you're doing digital ads on Facebook, you will be able to see that how much money you have spent, how much you have returned back, how much you invested, what is the profit, what is the revenue, everything you'll be able to measure on real time basis. And these things we have discussed: laser target your customers, scalable, no location boundaries, you can work from anywhere, right? Final thing, do Facebook ad really work, or it's just a waste of money? Again, the graph. What is the graph? This graph, Facebook's annual revenue from 2019 to 2018. Sorry, 2009 to 2019. This is the graph, updated graph. This is not the updated graph. Current revenue will be much more, but this is the graph. To get this kind of graph, it means people are investing more and more. Who are investing? Businesses, right? We are the business owners, whether we are coaches, business owners, entrepreneurs, but we are running some kind of business, right? Even freelancing is a business, in my opinion. So if business owners are investing money on Facebook ads, it means they are getting results, right? Otherwise, why would they invest? Every year it's increasing. More and more people are advertising online, right? That is where the revenue of Facebook comes from majorly, right? So if more and more people are advertising online, what do you think? Does Facebook ads work or it doesn't? Please type in the chat. If people are advertising more and more, do you think Facebook ads work? Of course. But people complain always that Facebook ads don't work. What are their complaints? That their posts aren't reaching enough people. No one is liking their post. No one is clicking their post. Somebody is clicking, but they're not getting leads. They're getting leads, fake leads. If they're getting good leads, sales are not happening. What are the reasons behind that? Few more complaints. People say that okay, maybe it might work, but I don't have time, I don't have big budget, I don't have too much of tech expertise, I'm scared of words like automation, marketing funnel, right? The actual truth is you don't need any tech skills. It is very easy. Like if you're able to watch this session today, it means you have tech skills more than enough to run your ads. You don't need to spend more than 60 minutes per day to learn this concept. That's why I told it's very easy to learn. Just 60 minutes per day for 7 days, and you will master Facebook lead ads. Yes, you will master Facebook lead ads in and out with the concept you might never heard of before, because you might have just seen in YouTube like lots of tutorials, but the clear actual concept, what is the behind the scenes, how it works, everything from the scratch, you learn today. I mean, in this workshop for the 7 days. You don't need to start with a big budget. You can start with small amount and then keep on increasing. And coming to the things like automation, funnel, lots of big words are there, right? They are important. Definitely 100% they are important. But they are important in the later stages of your funnel. Basically, start with lower thing first. Start generating leads. Start earning some money. Learn the basics, how it works. Try running few ads, then go after automation, then go after funnels and all, right? And we'll be learning the basics a bit in this workshop as well. So we'll be covering all the things required for this in this 7 days workshop. Once you learn these basics, you will be able to launch your profitable Facebook ads in less than 1 hour with correct strategies. Final question: why paid ads and not free stuff? In my opinion, nothing is free. Either you pay money or you pay time. There's limitation on scaling. If you're giving your ads on WhatsApp status, for example, how many people you might reach? 500,000, the number of contacts you have on your phone, right? If you're giving your ads on Facebook group, how many people will that group have? It have 2 billion people? No, it might have just 10,000 people, 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, nothing more, right? And same set of audience you are reaching daily, you're not reaching new audience. Most of the times you might get banned by the admins of the group, that why are you promoting this? You're not supposed to promote things, right? You keep on doing cold calls, that randomly you will keep on. How many of you like receiving cold calls, like suddenly you will receive a call from stock market, you are receiving call from different person, you are not interested there but still they are calling. If you have applied somewhere, definitely you will receive the call, but even if you have not applied, you will receive that. That is a type of marketing which is called cold calling, but most of the people don't like it, right? These are basically unreliable sources of traffic you can't depend on forever, right? Agree with this point, guys, everyone, that we can't depend on free traffic forever, we have to run paid ads. Agree? Now, why paid ads work is, you are actually helping people with the real product. You are helping them to reach from a you are helping them to reach from one destination to the other, and you are helping them skip the path, that they don't have to do. Like, you're giving them a good outcome, you're giving them transformation basically. For example, in these 7 days, what I am doing, I'm helping you to learn the basics. You don't have to just scratch your head, you don't have to watch through tons of tutorials and learn what is good way, what is not good way. I'm teaching you the practical thing. You don't have to spend your own money a lot and then learn by trial and error. You're learning the best things here only. So if you are having a good product, right, if you're having a good product, it will work for you. Now, if you can spend 1 rupees, this is the dream scenario of all the people doing digital marketing online. If you are spending 1 rupees in ads, and if you're getting 2 rupees back in return, okay, you won't have to worry about the financial part again, ever again. You're spending 10,000 rupees on ads, you're making 2,000, 20,000 back. You're spending 20,000 again, you're making 40,000 back. So every month you can keep on scaling. And yes, this is truth. It works. We'll see in the upcoming days examples of this as well. Some more success stories. Do you know how much I had to pay? How many of you want to know how much I had paid to acquire one customer? That there are 250 people in this group, right? How much I had paid to acquire one lead? You are my lead, right? Please type in me if you want to know how much I paid to Facebook to acquire one customer. See the data. I took it right now only today. Check the date once. Give me 1 second. Annotate. Clear. I'll show you today that how much I had spent on Facebook to bring you people in. Rupees 6.72 per lead. 6.72. Right. I got 220 people in my WhatsApp group. Data varies by 10-20% sometimes. And these are the dates. 5 July 2021 to 11th July. This was the dates I was running the ads for this workshop. Just 7 rupees per lead. Right. Just see the amount of money I spent to bring you people in. And this is the thing which can be achieved, but don't take it as a guarantee that, oh, Pankaj achieved this, so I'll also achieve this, right? It's just for demonstration purpose to make you feel the power of Facebook ads. Of course, there are lots of factors involved. One factor can be, I gave you free ads. Usually you might have seen, uh, paid workshops, 500 rupees, 2000 rupees, 5000 rupees for this small course, right? I gave you this workshop entirely for free. So more people jumped in that yes, I want to register. I reached right people. My experience is there in these ads. The proper messaging is there. Thousands of things are there. So it's not that everyone will get this cost, right? It's kind of disclaimer. No, not everyone will get the cost. But yes, people are getting this cost. There's a handwriting agency called Jigyasa. They are getting 8 rupees per lead. Conjus Mobile Services, they are into mobile cover printing. They are getting 26 rupees per lead. I own my own photo studio in my village, Pankaj Studio. We are reaching 45,000 people by spending some minimal amount. I was running paid workshop for 99 rupees sales. I was paying just 60 rupees to Facebook. Okay, lots of examples are there, lots. So do you want to achieve this kind of results? Please type in me. Who wants to achieve this kind of results? So here I would like to give the disclaimer once again. I just showed the results to show that what are the various possibilities, what can you reach, but it's not a guarantee that you will achieve this. Of course, you can achieve this with time, but it's not like within one day you will achieve this. So basically, what I need from you, just attend all the 7 days. If recordings are shared, watch the recordings. If it is live session, watch the live sessions, and then do the assignments. Join the Facebook group. You can like my Instagram pages. You can like my Facebook pages. I'll share the links, and then keep on implementing things. Will it work for you? Yes, it will work for everyone if your customers are humans. Even if you're selling food for pet animals, of course their owners are human, right? And they're browsing Facebook. If they are humans and browsing Facebook, of course it will work for you. If you have identified a problem to solve, it will work for you. If you have a series of product, if you have a service or product worth to be paid for, you can't ask 10,000 crore rupees for this workshop. You can ask 10,000 rupees maximum for this workshop to 20,000 rupees. People will pay, but I can't ask 10 crore rupees for this workshop, right? So pricing should be always good. You should offer should be good. Last, you should provide value in exchange of money. I have done this in the world, real world. I've showed you the testimonials. Lots of testimonials are coming for future as well. I'll be showing that it works. So that's it, guys. Thanks everyone for the session. Anyone has any questions or feedback? You can type in chat. I'll take 1-2 questions. Uh, and guys, you can go and like my Instagram page as well. I'll share the link after this. Okay. I'll share the link in what to say WhatsApp group. I'll keep that group closed so that people don't spam, right? I'll keep the group always closed. Want to know 2 things. Any tool for laptop screen recording with voice? Avi, you can use Zoom directly. With Zoom, you can record the screen and record the voice. Mic is my, I think, Manao mic. Mono, I said Maono. Mono mic. It was around 5,000 rupees. I bought it from Amazon. And webcam is of Logitech. I don't remember the model name. You can ping me separately. I'll tell you the details. No worries on that. Okay. So tomorrow notes we'll be learning the practical things. I'll be sharing the assignment soon. I'll be sharing the assignment early in the morning tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow I'll be sharing the assignment and you can share it by evening. So be prepared that join the Facebook group, like my Instagram pages. Okay, thanks everyone. And there won't be any recording shared, don't worry. We'll be learning things about Facebook ads, don't worry. Everything will be learning slowly. Thanks everyone. How was the session, guys? What new things did you learn today? Did you learn anything new? Can you type in one thing before we exit? What one thing you learned today? Anything new which you learned today? I'll take a minute, then we'll exit. And Dr. Sima says everything was new. Dheeraj Singh says thank you so much. Okay, no problem. Nupur says we can easily run Facebook ads. Exactly, we can. Chiti says it was nice and informative. FB ads do wonders, cost effective. That is possible to get 150 leads for 1,000 rupees. Yes, it's possible, but it takes time. But don't expect that in reality. Mindset about Facebook ads, never knew getting this much huge growth. Facebook ads, Facebook boost do not work. True, Facebook boost ads do not work. Most of the things when new learn the digital marketing is the new thing. How to enter magic world of this modern platform. Awesome, awesome. ठीक है. Thanks everyone. Hope you enjoyed. I can see the excitement over this. Let's maintain this excitement for the next 7 days. Thanks everyone. Good night. Bye.